Arthur, what's that? Is that your chickie? Yeah. You want to say thank you to Uncle Henry and Aunt Denise? So you love your chickie. You love everything in there. What a nice treat. Uh-oh, your chickie. Where'd he go? Bloop. Your bibs. You especially like the box flaps. Those were very cool, weren't they? Yeah. All right, say thank you. Happy Easter. Yay. You are excited. Uh-oh, your chickie. Where'd he go? All right, here we go. Bye-bye. Say thank you. Thank you. Oh, you want to pull out more? Kermit, this is Arthur's movie. Look at all these cool outfits you got. And baby proofing, that's important. And little socks. Yep, pretty soon those will be all over the house. Pretty soon. All right. Where's your chickie? Look, here's your chickie. Come and get him. Oh, he likes the baby proofing stuff now. All right, love you. Thank you, Uncle Henry and Aunt Denise.